Hello students, welcome to my new class. Today is Human Body System, Chapter 7. Human Body System, Skeletal System. This skeletal system forms the framework of our body. It is made up of 206 bones. So our body contains 206 bones. Our body systems, you can see the human skeletal system figure. This figure contains 206 bones. So soft tissues and organs of the body are attached with it. The facial organs are protected by the skeletal system. This skeletal system serves many important functions. Number one, the skeleton is the framework of the body. It supports the softer tissues and provides points of attachment for most skeletal muscles. This skeletal provides mechanical protections for many of the body's internal organs. Skeletal muscles are attached to the bones and they cause the bones to move. Now, for bone tissues store several minerals such as calcium and phosphorus. So this is the skeletal systems, which is containing these four functions. And our next, bones. What would have happened if we don't have bones? We support be floppy like a bean bag. We couldn't stand on walk. Bones have two purposes. Backbones provide the structure which enables you to stand erect. Other bones protect and delicate and sometimes soft organs inside of our body. Bones are connected together by ligaments to form flexible joints. Here are inside the bones. So without bones we can't stand or we can't walk. Okay. So for bones help us to stand, sit and walk. And ligament is a tough bone of white, fibrous, slightly elastic tissues. This is an essential part of a skeletal system. It binds the bony ends together to prevent dislocations and excessive movements that might cause breakage. So ligaments also support many internal organs. Next, inside bones. Inside the bones, human bones are hollow. However, they are hollow and are light in weight. So yet they are strong. So the hollowness of the bones contains marrow. Bone marrow makes new red and white blood cells. Red blood cells ensure that oxygen is distributed to all parts of our body, and white blood cells ensure that we are able to fight germs and diseases. Part of skeletal is that skull, calcium. So this is the part of skeleton we will discuss in next class. So here this is important chapter. So thank you.